Hello everyone. Learn how to reconcile your Meesho payments in just 5 minutes. Download the free payment reconciliation template from the link below, and in this video, learn how you can use that payment reconciliation template to reconcile all your Meesho payments, track your returns, and track your profits, all in just 5 minutes.
Let us now look at the payment reconciliation template. First thing first, once you download this template and try to open it on your system, the Excel will prompt you to enable or disable macros. Please ensure that you have enabled all the macros to ensure that all the formulas in the Excel are working. Now, first sheet in this Excel template is instruction. So whatever we are going to discuss in this video is also covered under instruction sheet. Alternatively, you can also go through the instructions here and get familiar with payment reconciliation template at your own pace. Let us move to the next sheet, which is enter order and return details. Now here, you're required to enter all the order dispatches in the Excel template. From where can we find out? Let us go to the Meesho panel, go to orders, and from here, you can download your order details. You can select a specific date range and then generate a report. Once that report is generated, you can download it from here. I have already downloaded the order details to save time to record this video. Let me open the order details from here. Now these are the information shared under the order details. So we have sub order number, SKU information, quantity, and the selling price information. Let me go back to the reconciliation template and check what all fields are required. So first is order on, which is nothing but order date, sub order number, SKU, quantity, selling price information. Now to save time, the only mandatory field to be entered in this template is sub order number. To save time, we will just copy the sub order number details from here and enter into order details here. You can also enter SKU quantity information to do further analysis and under your reconciliation. Once this is done, here in last two columns, you can enter your return details. So for example, let me enter some sample return information here. If you have received this sub order number as a return and return is delivered to you, you can remark it as a yes here and then enter the type of return details here, which could be either RTO or customer returns. So I've entered two sample return information here. This will help me to check if there is a negative payment, whether that return is delivered to the seller or not. The second is enter payment details. Now, the columns that we see here is sub order number, payment date, and the final settlement amount. To get this information from supplier panel, let me again go to the supplier panel of Meesho. Go to payments. Fortunately, Meesho is now providing and allowing you to download payment for a specific date range in bulk. Instead of downloading payment sheet for every day, now you can select a date range and download it for 30 days, maximum of 30 days. Now, payment to date is the information that we will need under payment reconciliation template. You can select a date range here and then generate and download the payment report. I've already downloaded the payment report. Let me open the payment report from the Meesho. This is how the payment report looks like. It has all the information that we require to do reconciliation, such as sub order number, payment date, and final settlement amount. Now, this final settlement amount is the amount that you have actually received against the respective sub order number. Let me just copy and paste this information in our template. Sub order number, then is payment date and final settlement amount. The reason why we capture payment to date information is because these are the payments that have actually been credited in your bank account. Instead of considering outstanding payments, the payments that are yet to get settled, which may change if there is a return happening against any order ID, we consider only closed transaction to ensure the highest accuracy in our reconciliation. The last sheet is reconciliation. Now, here is a button which you need to click. Every time you enter new order details or payment information, you are required to click on this button to ensure that reconciliation is done for all the newly entered order details and payment details. Now, this reconciliation tab, the reconciliation is already generated. You can see the last net payment received against each of the order ID. There are few more analysis that you can do based on this sheet. The first being tracking of the returns. So here you have remarked this as an RTO return and you see there is a negative payout. You can escalate this with the marketplace saying that in case of RTO, there are no penalties to be charged as per the rate card. Why we have been charged negative 119 against this order. Similarly, if you see a negative payout, say for this, there is a negative payout. And now the assumption is that this must also be a return approved by the marketplace. Now you have not received this return yet. You can check the status of this suborder number under return details of Meesho and see if this return is delivered to you or not. If that return is already delivered to you, that simply means that you have actually not received it yet, or maybe you have forgotten to enter the return details under this template. Now this Excel is a locked sheet. Uh, this will not allow you to enter or edit any fields here. You can do further analysis such as find out order level profit information. How you can do that? You can copy this reconciliation information and paste it in our new Excel. From there, you can enter a cost information if you have the SKU information captured in the order details. Once you enter the cost details here, you can simply subtract that from the net payment that you have received, and that will give you your overall net profit from your e-commerce operations. There are a lot of ways that in which you can use this free payment reconciliation template and do further analysis to improve operational efficiency for your e-commerce business. This payment reconciliation template is provided by EcomBooks to help you easily reconcile all your payments. If you struggle to manually reconcile your payment details, you can reach out to us at EcomBooks. Since EcomBooks is a platform which automates your payment reconciliation process, return reconciliation process, and also provides you SKU level profitability report. We also help you and assist you with highlighting return disputes such as lost returns and returns not delivered to you, or payment disputes such as payment not received against any order ID, overcharged orders, and help you raise with all such transactions with the marketplace. To know more about our services and explore more about services, please visit our website www.ecombooks.co.in. Alternatively, you can find the contact information below in this video. Please feel free to reach out to us for a quick demo. I hope this helps and this helps you in bringing operational efficiency in your e-commerce business. Thank you very much for your time and listening.